Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Honda Civic Type R and this is by Tomica. So a lot of my subscribers actually requested this one, so I bought this. So let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. And right now even Tomica is really getting hard to get in India even after official launch. They just released one wave of it, so I'm really happy that I bought some of. Actually, I bought 90% of the castings if I'm not wrong. So especially the Lamborghinis, which are really beautiful, the Diablo and Countach, the 25th anniversary edition. Those are really awesome. So Tomica's Tomica's my personal favorite brand, which is in this affordable range and casting wise. So if you guys are my viewers for a long time, you will know that right now. Okay, so here is it. So here is the initial impressions of this car. So the casting looks really, it is heavy. It is not light by any means. It is a bit heavy, and it is a good thing they included some kind of acrylics for the headlights. So I personally love the logo placements of Tomica, which is really nice all the time. They did it really well this time also. So I do have only one concern with the paint, which is here. As you can see, maybe it's painted on top of the white paint job, or I don't think it is a scratch. It is not a scratch, it is just painted on top of it. So it has some good interior detailing to it. I hope you guys can see it at least a little bit. So windows are actually tinted black, so it is a little bit hard to see. So the scale is 1:64, and so they have the standard Tomica rims, which comes with all the main lines of Tomica. So the entire body is made of metal. Let's see. Okay, so the spoiler is actually made of plastic, so it's really good. They actually painted the tail lights, and the logo placement is really nice. So they painted the exhaust as well. So this looks really nice, and it is actually heavy. So let's do a suspension test. Yes, it does have suspension, and let's do a roll test. So I know Tomicas are not good with rolling, but still, no. Even with this much force, it is going only this halfway. Okay, it doesn't have much of a wheel roll. Sorry, wheel wobble. Even some Hot Wheels which are supposed to be played in tracks, they have a lot of wheel wobble, but this one doesn't have that much. It looks really beautiful. So this is my only concern in this one streak here. So rest everything looks absolutely awesome. So if you guys are wondering whether you can get this casting or not, and if you are a fan of Type R, go ahead and get it. So you are not going to get anything really good in this price range, either from Hot Wheels or any other brand. So Majorette had a really awesome Type R, but it is not easy to get nowadays. Luckily I was able to get one, but you won't be getting that anytime soon. So if you're able to get this one, just go ahead and buy it. And even if you're having the Majorette one, just go ahead and buy this one as well. So this one is a bit unique compared to other brands. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.